Good morning, students, and welcome to your SST class. I hope all of you fit and healthy at your home with your family, because in this pandemic situation, this is good for you. Yes, Mitana, and I hope all of you read this chapter, chapter 1, The Earth, Our Home. Okay, I will explain you this chapter today. First, I mention all the date. Today's date is 15th April 2021. Your subject is going on SST and your class is class 3rd. Okay, here I mention all the chapter 1, and the chapter name is The Earth, Our Home. The Earth, Our Home. This is your chapter. Okay, beta. So everyone, look at here. Don't write anything in your copy, and first I tell you which copy you are using now in SST subject. Look at here. This is the interleaf copy. What is the meaning of interleaf copy? It means interleaf copy, it is one-sided plane, and this is second side. This side is ruled. Okay, this side is ruled and this side is plain. Plain side, all of you do the work with the help of pencil. It means in this page all of you do now only the flow charts and the diagrams also. Okay, and in this part you all of you write now. In third class all of you use now the pencil. Okay, I hope all things are clear now. Then come to the topic. Look at here. Here I am the draw the diagram of the earth. Which planet we live now? We are living now. The planet name is, this is our earth. Okay, all of you draw now this diagram in your copy, and look at here. This is the earth. This is the diagram is the earth. Okay, all of you draw now this part. This part is a land, and which color you are using now? This is a land. Okay, and all of you here use now the pencil color to showing the land. This land, this land, this land, this land, and this part is the blue part, and this part is called water. Okay, look at here everyone. Here I am draw the diagrams. We all living things and non-living things also live on the planet name is earth. Yes or no? It means we are a human beings, animals, plants, birds, insects. Our houses are built on it. We are playing now. All things are on the earth. And earth, millions of the plants and trees are grow on it. Because, sorry, only life is possible on which planet? The life is possible only, the planet name is earth. Here is the showing I am diagram of the earth. Some part is a land and some part is a water. The surface of the earth is made of two parts, land and water. Okay, about 3/4. The 3/4 of the earth's surface is water. It means, suppose that, what is the meaning of 3/4? Suppose that this is the circle. Look at here everyone. Here is the, how many parts I am divided now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 part is here. It means 3/4 part. 3/4 part is a water. Okay, and only 1 part is a land. It means land is here and 3/4 part is a water. Understand this thing? Same situation is here. Some parts, earth is like a ball, round, hold it round a ball, like a ball. Okay, its 3/4 surface is covered with water and 1/4 part is covered with land. Understand these things? Yes, you know, when we see this earth from the sky, it is seems blue color. Look from blue because its 3/4 part is covered with water. That's why this planet, see from the space, is blue color, and this planet is also called blue planet. Which color planet? Blue planet. Only life is possible on the earth. Why life is possible on the earth? Because atmosphere and water is only present on the earth. What is the meaning of atmosphere? What is the meaning of atmosphere? Atmosphere means the layer of the air is surrounded by the earth. It is called atmosphere, and it is only present on the only one planet. This is earth, and earth is the 3rd planet in our solar system. Yes, you know. And tell me its natural satellite. What is the name of its natural satellite? Its natural satellite, it is a, tell me beta, it is a moon. Okay. Look at here, students, in your book. This is the picture. This is the picture. This boy is playing with ball, and here some children are playing with him. Okay, and here is the picture of some natural vegetation. Here is the some animals, some aquatic animal, fish is here. Okay, this is the picture of our earth. All living and non-living things are situated on the it, and life is possible on the earth. Why? Life is possible. Life is possible on it. Why? What is the reason? Because air is present on this planet, and second is water. These two things are present on the earth. That's why life is possible on it. Because without air, no one can live. No one can live. Without air, because oxygen is present in the air. Air is a mixture of different kinds of gas, and the layer of the layer of the air is surrounded by the earth. Okay, surrounded by the earth. That's why life is possible on the earth. And water, it's a 3/4 part present water, and these two things possible life is possible on the earth because these things. Okay, and this land is made of this earth is made up of land also. Without land we can live it? No. It means the earth is made up of land, water and air. That's why the life is possible on the earth. And the human beings and the animals and the plants need air to live. It means all living things need air to live. Okay, and the earth the earth is surrounded by the layer is called, tell me, it is called atmosphere. Okay, I hope all things are clear now. What is a earth, why it's called blue planet, and why life is possible on the earth, because these things are present on the earth, that's why life is possible on the earth. Earth is made of air, water, land, that's why the life is possible on the earth. One more thing, students, one point is here I am explaining you, that is horizon. What is the meaning of this word horizon? Horizons means a line where the land and sky seem to meet. What is the meaning of this line? It means the land means our earth, and the sky seems to meet. Suppose, students, when you are going now Ganga Ghat, sometime you are looking now some place, there is the water, the land and the sky, both are seen to meet. That place is called horizon. You are seeing now the Ganga Ghat, and you see very closely कि sometimes the land and the sky both are meet now in some place. That some place is called horizon. Okay, it means, suppose that beta, this is a river, and near the river this is a land, and you are standing here. Look at here, here is you are standing now. Sometime this river is meet from this, look at here, this type of sea. It means this place you are seen to both are meet. This place is called horizon. Okay, students, I hope all things are clear now. What is the earth, land, water, horizon, and life is possible on the earth. Remaining part we will complete now in next class. Till then, have a nice day.